Hi, Todd Ward here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather across the ArkLaTex for the next 10 days. And big changes on the way as we look at the overall weather pattern across the country right now. You can see here in the ArkLaTex it is mostly sunny. Temperatures for the most part in the mid to upper 80s across the ArkLaTex. And again, the record high for today definitely in jeopardy, and the same goes for tomorrow. In fact, it looks like we may have already broken the record high temperature for today. Meantime, weather pattern. We are still under the influence of a large area of upper level high pressure over West Texas. Big upper level trough here over the Pacific Northwest is going to dig towards the east. That's going to break down this ridge and also usher a cold front through the ArkLaTex that will bring us an excellent chance for some showers and thunderstorms beginning late Wednesday and especially Wednesday night and Thursday. Let's take a look at Robin's Cellular Futurecast, and you can see tonight looking at a partly cloudy skies. The low clouds redevelop late tonight. Tomorrow, expect lots of sunshine across the areas. We'll see a few clouds mixing in. Going through tomorrow night, we'll see the low clouds once again return to the ArkLaTex with a breezy southeasterly wind. And on Wednesday, again, kind of a mix of clouds and sunshine. Small chance for the stray shower or thunderstorm during the afternoon. Might see a bit more coverage to the north, over the northwestern sections of the area, and we will see the threat of showers and thunderstorms increase Wednesday evening. You can see this line of thunderstorms, which will pose a threat of severe weather, mainly some wind issues as we go into the latter stages of Wednesday night. As we go from midnight to 6 a.m. You can see that line of thunderstorms will gradually spread towards the south and east. It will likely be weakening as it does so, and it will continue to make its way through the area during the day on Thursday. For Halloween, it looks like the best rainfall chances will be in the morning for most of us, although we will likely see some lingering late day rain over the southeastern sections of the ArkLaTex, and then we'll kind of take a pause with a continued chance for the off and on rain Friday, this weekend, and even into next week. As far as severe weather, it does look like it is possible. The Storm Prediction Center shows where those storms arrive soonest Wednesday night. We do have a level 2 slight risk, meaning that any severe weather, I should say, will be rather scattered. Severe weather issues should be much more isolated. In other words, a marginal risk over East Texas, Northwest Louisiana, and most of Southwest Arkansas. Rain is the important thing, and it looks like this first batch of rain will give us a decent amount. Futurecast shows that from now into Friday, most of the area in line to see a good solid inch of rain. And this is just the beginning, as it looks like this rather soggy off and on weather pattern will continue. You can see that trough moving towards the east. The thunderstorms rolling through the area Thursday. Notice we still have the southwesterly flow above us heading into the middle of the weekend. That's going to continue with the chance for some rain. We'll stop this on Election Day next Tuesday. Still a possibility for some rain across the region. And then we'll continue to see the southwesterly flow off and on rather persistently during most of the next 10 days. In fact, it looks like much of the area could see more than 3 inches of rain from now through next week, with over 5 inches possible over the northwestern sections of the area. Again, that's during the next 10 days. So tonight, expect a partly cloudy sky. It will be mild as temperatures will fall into the low to middle 60s. In Shreveport, looking at 66 degrees, 65 in Texarkana, 64 degrees in Marshall. Tomorrow, expect a partly cloudy sky. Again, the high temperatures, at least in Shreveport, close to a record. Tomorrow's record high 90 will be at 89, 85 in Texarkana, 89 also for the high temperature in Natchitoches. Again, starting especially Wednesday night, good chance for showers and thunderstorms. Thursday's rain, most widespread in the morning. And then we'll continue each day with a chance for that scattered shower or thunder shower as we go through the weekend into next week. Daytime highs will cool off, 70s starting Thursday. Then we'll kind of settle into the low to middle 80s this weekend and early next week. Right now it looks like 80 with a chance for some rain for Election Day, as we'll see highs next week kind of settle back down into the low to middle 70s by the last half of next week. So a big change in our weather pattern is on the way, as we'll see the possibility for a few strong to possibly even severe thunderstorms Wednesday night. That threat of severe weather will gradually diminish as we go through Thursday morning.